In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a yellow tint on your monitor in Windows. If your screen suddenly looks warmer, slightly yellow, or just not as white and crisp as it used to be, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a simple software setting rather than a hardware problem. I'll walk you through the key areas in Windows that can cause this yellow tint, and how to adjust them so your display looks normal again. First, let's start with one of the most common causes: night light. Night light is a Windows feature that adds a warm, yellowish tone to reduce blue light, especially at night. To check this, move your mouse to the bottom of the screen and click on the Start button. Then open the Settings app. From there, go to System, and then choose Display. On the Display page, look for a section called Night Light. If it's turned on, you'll see a switch that you can toggle off. As soon as you turn night light off, watch your screen closely. If the yellow tint disappears, that was the problem. You can leave it off or click into the night light settings to adjust the strength or schedule it so it only turns on at certain times. If night light isn't the issue, stay in the display settings and scroll down until you see options like HDR or color settings, depending on your version of Windows. Sometimes HDR or certain color profiles can shift the overall tone of your screen. If there's an HDR toggle and it's on, try turning it off to see if the color returns to normal. Next, we'll check your color profile. Still in the Settings window, you can search for Color Management using the search bar at the top. Open Color Management, select your monitor from the device list, and see if there's a custom color profile applied. If you're not sure, you can choose to reset it to the system default profile, which often fixes strange tints. Finally, make sure any third-party apps that control color, like screen color filters or blue light apps, are closed or disabled. These can layer their own color effects on top of Windows. Once you've gone through these settings, your monitor should look much more natural and closer to what you expect. If the yellow tint is still there after all of this, it might be a physical issue with the monitor, and you may want to test it with another device or cable.